Rwandans in the United States of America, who are comprised of 29 associations, were able to mobilize hundreds and thousands of you here now and those that are watching online, and we welcome you to this opportunity. Rwandans, young and old, chose, let us continue to band together to build the Rwanda we choose.
What I have to tell you is that all these people have defied the rain, they have defied the snow, they have walked, they have flown, they have driven, but us stand tall. You have given us back our dignity as a people.
We really have to think, yes, that we cannot listen to the narrative of our continent. Yes, we have the resources, we have the people, we have you. Yes, how many of you have been back to Rwanda and seen for yourself rather than read what somebody is going to come and tell me about it?
Rwanda is worth fighting for. You know, you're always going to have to fight for it. You're always going to have that fighting spirit. The spirit to fight for what is right, for justice, for freedom, for all of the things that we know are right and good.
The reasons for Rwanda Day to start with is to make sure that every Rwandan who is outside of Rwanda is connected with his or her home wherever they are. You can leave Rwanda and go wherever you want to go, but Rwanda should not leave you. Maybe Rwanda got the leadership Rwanda deserved. And I'm saying this to remind all of us that nothing works just because of one person or one leader, but things work because of the collective effort.